Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add voice effects in TikTok. So press the plus button and just record literally anything you want to record. I'm just going to say something like, hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Hello everyone. And then, okay, there's going to be a voice when I go back, but if you go back and then there's a right sort of tab, you're going to just select voice effects. So this is what I mean. Hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Audio editing. So I hope you saw that. So let's go back and see it. So select audio editing, and here are the new ones. There's Wulan and Licik. Mine is in Indonesian. I don't know why. But here are the new ones, and this is what you're going to sound like after you have put on this voice effect sort of filter. So this is the one that makes you sound like a girl. I'm just gonna show you.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Hello.
Okay, I don't sound that different, but this one's the other one.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel.
And when you're done, you're just going to press save.
Hello everyone.
Press next, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!